Imagine waking up one morning, logging into your investment account, and seeing that your money has been working for you, even while you slept. Now picture a future where your savings aren't just sitting in a bank account but are growing, year after year, setting you on a path to financial freedom. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the reality. In 2024, this could be your story. The world of investing has changed, and today, more than ever, there are opportunities to make your money work smarter, not harder. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, 2024 is packed with potential. Let's dive in together and uncover the best investment options for you this year. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's going to shape your financial future. The best investment options for 2024. We all want to make our money grow, but with so many choices out there, it can be hard to know where to start. That's why we've done all the heavy lifting for you. Analyzing trends, studying market shifts, and finding the most promising opportunities. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to maximize your returns and make your money work as hard as you do. And remember, you don't need to be a financial expert to get started. We're here to make investing simple, exciting, and most importantly, achievable. The stock market, old but gold. First up, let's talk about the stock market. Now, I know what you're thinking. Stocks have been around forever, what's new about that? But here's the twist. In 2024, the stock market offers some unique opportunities that you definitely don't want to miss. Tech stocks have been the darling of the market for years, but this year the game is changing. With rising interest rates, value stocks, those companies with strong fundamentals and stable cash flows, are making a comeback. Think about companies in sectors like healthcare, energy, and consumer goods. They may not have the glamour of the latest tech startup, but they offer consistent growth and often solid dividends. The rise of sustainable investing. Investing with a conscience. Have you ever wanted to invest in something that aligns with your values? Well, 2024 is the year to do just that. Sustainable investing, or ESG, environmental, social, and governance investing, is more than just a trend, it's a movement. People want to put their money into companies that are making a positive impact on the world, whether it's through clean energy, social responsibility, or ethical practices. The best part, ESG investments have shown competitive, sometimes even superior returns compared to traditional investments. It's like having your cake and eating it too, making money while making a difference. Real estate. More accessible than you think. Real estate has always been a favorite for building wealth, but many people think it's out of reach. If you've ever felt that way, let me tell you, 2024 could be your year to break into this market. With the rise of real estate crowdfunding platforms, you no longer need hundreds of thousands of dollars to invest. These platforms allow you to invest in real estate projects across the country with as little as $500. From rental properties to commercial buildings, you can earn passive income without being a landlord yourself. And if you're ready to dive deeper, rental properties and REITs, real estate investment trusts, continue to be solid options for cryptocurrency, the volatility play. Let's be honest, crypto has had its ups and downs, and 2023 was no exception. But here's the thing. The blockchain isn't going anywhere. While the Wild West days of massive price swings may be behind us, 2024 is shaping up to be a year of stabilization for cryptocurrencies. Think about major players like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are evolving into digital gold and the foundation for decentralized finance, DeFi. If you're willing to accept some risk, crypto can still be a small, exciting part of your diversified portfolio. And remember, you don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin. Platforms like Robinhood, Coinbase, and even PayPal make it easier than ever to start small and learn as you go. 5. Treasury bonds, I-bonds, safe haven investments. Let's shift gears and talk about something a little less risky. Government bonds. I know they may not sound as thrilling as the latest startup, but hear me out. With inflation still a concern in 2024, Treasury inflation-protected securities, TPS, and I-bonds offer a safe way to protect your money against rising prices. And with higher interest rates, these bonds are providing better yields than we've seen in years. If you're looking for a secure place to park your money while still earning a return, bonds could be your best friend this year. 6. AI and tech startups invest in the future. 2024 is the year of AI, and tech startups are leading the charge. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries, from healthcare to logistics, and some of the most exciting opportunities are in early-stage startups. Platforms like Seed Invest and Republic allow everyday investors to get in on the ground floor of these companies before they go public. It's high risk, high reward. But if you believe in the power of AI to change the world, this could be an exciting way to grow your wealth. Just remember, with great potential comes great responsibility. Never invest more than you can afford to lose building wealth through passive income streams. Who doesn't love the idea of making money while you sleep? In 2024, building passive income streams has become more accessible than ever. Whether it's dividend-paying stocks, affiliate marketing, or creating digital products like ebooks, there's a world of opportunities out there. The key is to start small, be consistent, and let your earnings compound over time. Remember, passive income doesn't mean zero work. It means front-loading your efforts for long-term rewards. The power of dollar cost averaging. No more market timing. One of the biggest mistakes investors make is trying to time the market. In 2024, let's leave that stress behind and embrace dollar cost averaging, DCA. By investing a fixed amount of money regularly, say every month, you smooth out the highs and lows of the market. This strategy is especially powerful for those investing in index funds or ETFs. It's simple, effective, and takes the guesswork out of investing. Plus, it's a great way to build discipline and keep your long-term goals on track. So there you have it. The best investment options for 2024, from tried and true stocks to the cutting-edge world of AI startups. Remember, the best investment strategy is the one that aligns with your goals, your risk tolerance, and your timeline. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about building a future where you have the freedom to live life on your terms. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's ready to start their investing journey. And drop a comment below. What investment are you most excited about in 2024? Let's build wealth together, one smart move at a time. Until next time, happy investing.